Ndi mopo that they pointed gun at Tonto.
Just disregard all those information. Nothing is truth
Okay,
about all those things. Just
okay.
disregard. You know, I've been in my house since yesterday when all these things are happening, but I don't want to join issue with anybody, and I don't want to comment.
Mm.
I just deem it fit to greet all our Muslim brothers that are celebrating today. If not, I won't even be on live.
Oh.
Whatever rumors that is going on should just.
Kpokpogiri. Your matter don pass Joromi for social media, oh, my darling people. Tonto Dike say Kpokpogiri. He own a sex tape wey dey with Kpokpogiri past 30. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, I beg make you go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Today matter na about Kpokpogiri and Tonto Dike and Jamila. You know, I can't see say Tonto Dike go take police to arrest Kpokpogiri. So as he arrest am, people come dey say why Tonto Dike go do that kind thing, make e still remember the time wey they take play. E no good wetin e do, you understand? So now Tonto Dike talk say una go just dey talk only inside. Wait, oh my darling people, ma fẹ́ quick talk this one. I no understand this Kpokpogiri show. Sometimes I dey wonder whether na Kpokpogiri I no know for am. This guy, so my darling people, this Kpokpogiri so una know wetin in dey cry for, so say a car wey dey with Tonto Dike, make Tonto Dike bring the car come. So your own wey come Tonto Dike back when I remember say when Tonto Dike wan present am for the whole world, he buy car give Kpokpogiri wait for a birthday. Some of una go see that video that time. So the car dey with him for house. Him own car wey him drive come Tonto Dike house now. In the same way Tonto Dike give am the car. What about the one wey Tonto Dike buy for you? Because you see say Tonto Dike enter the car, they cruise the car, they enjoy himself with a friend. Now that one they pay Kpokpogiri for body so. Kpokpogiri, me I no understand you. He said the car say Tonto Dike must give am. My dear, you can't do anything. You not go fit do anything. You understand? Because you not just I don't know how I go to describe you. In fact, if you see person whether they call Tonto Dike next time, you go pick raise. Tonto really like he really give am to you the way you say one time this time. Now Tonto Dike can evil expose you for your evil acts. Because you don't do so many women. Tonto Dike talk and say many people video, naked video where they with this guy not be small one. Now so many of them they follow this Kpokpogiri. We be not even know am. Now Tonto Dike come open your nyash now. They really talk say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Now the owner comes, so you never see anything. You never see anything. And Tonto Dike come say talk and say in your way there with Kpokpogiri past 30. In your naked video. He say where they with Kpokpogiri, say he past 30. It shockalize me. Kpokpogiri, you felt they do before. Tonto Dike, now you go to stop am. There is a nothing wey Musa no go see for ghetto. Nothing wey person no go see. Tonto Dike say him go show you. I think una will soon go court very soon. Jamila or video. If una see that video, the thing go shockalize all of una. Not be smart you. Jamila don dey jogodo messes. I don't know why I'm not dey call that woman married woman. Not be married woman. You do say a better man, a responsible man go open eye. Say one go marry that kind of woman. Now because say na he marry this guy. No hear wey Kpokpogiri talk am say na he marry the guy. Na he cause am wey be say they do like that. And say I foresee, no wonder. No wonder. My darling people. Make I put video more and see the don't get shock news will come out again now for this Kpokpogiri matter. Let me touch this now. Let my hand the paper.
Oh my.
Bye.
I think I should do it like this. Oh my. Oh my.
I want to see my face. You didn't say I did. I did. Breathe die.
I never fucked anybody over who didn't see it or have it coming. All I have in this world is my balls and my words. And I'ma fucking use it till I die. Woo, woo, woo. Did you get that?
Ndị mopo that they pointed gun at Tonto.
Just disregard all those information. Nothing is truth about all those things. Just disregard. You know, I've been in my house since yesterday when all these things are happening, but I don't want to join issue with anybody, and I don't want to comment. You know, I just deem it fit to greet all our Muslim brothers that are celebrating today. If not, I won't even be on live. Whatever rumors that is going on should just, I don't care.
No, but Prince, you say because of our Muslim brothers that are doing whatever it is they are doing. How does it have any bearing with this case? I mean, the rumors were very, very thick. I have pictures. I don't have videos.
Yes, so like what I just told you, I don't want to talk anything about it. I don't want to talk anything about that. I'm talking.
Let me tell you, dearest sister, any man who loves you and respects you as a human being and as a woman he or she is in love with, will never pick up their phone to record you. No matter how intoxicating such relationships, such love, if you're in La La Land, if you're anywhere, do not lose your senses. Don't trust people. Even the husband that you're married to. Trust but verify. Isn't it sad that you can't even have conversations with people without them recording you? Let alone recording your intimate moment with you with your consent. Are your thinking faculties not functioning? Or do they need to be, realigned with some serious? Why? I am begging you all, women, if you've not learned anything since last month, learn that you cannot trust anyone, man or woman, around you. And when you're a famous person, the more reason your guards should be up. I am begging you all, for the sake of posterity, this whole I am not bothered, I don't care. You will bother, you will care. We have children. The internet never forgets. The internet never forgets. So I am begging you, no matter how much you think you love a man or a woman, do not leave yourself in a compromising position that will be used against you.
Like a dog and the shine of your light. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife.